Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. The first time I saw pictures of this online, I immediately fell in love with it. I don't know, maybe that's a noob sneakerhead thing. You end up liking every new releases. But I find brown sneakers really appealing, and I thought this is a must-have until I got it in hand. I wasn't as blown away on it in person as I was seeing it online. It's still great and very much wearable, but for some reason I was expecting more from it. I think because I have the white Oreo and University Blue to compare it against. Looking at their photos online, I thought this was better than the University Blues, but in hand, it's the other way around. Material-wise, I was very much aware of the cracked leather around the toe strap, tongue, quarter, and around the heel counter. I just didn't expect it to be as glittery or sparkly as it is. Apparently it's meant to wear off or tear away and reveal a lighter shade of brown underneath, which you can get to if you sand its surface. If it was a darker shade of brown, I would probably be tempted to do just that. Not an OG, so this has the Jumpman on the back. The midsole is mostly white, wrapped in black outsole. Overall, I still rate them. I think they're great and easy to wear. There are little touches that could have been done to make it better, but as it is right now, I really don't mind it. It's still a great pair to have in your collection, if you're willing to pay the current resale rates though. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.